Hold up, who gon' hold us? Not the cemetery or the penitentiary. Damn, my contemporaries, I'm too legendary. It's so money. I got money. Money. I got money. I'm money.
I'm planning on putting some goddess box braids in my hair, so I'm going to show you guys the process of like washing your braiding hair and getting the film, the little layer of film off of it, so that the things that irritate your scalp when you have like sensitive skin, stuff like that. It's really quick. Let's start. So this is my hair. As y'all know from my previous video, this is the hair I like to use. And basically what you want to do is secure the ends of your hair. And I feel like just to play it even safer, I'm going to plait the hair and then secure the end with a rubber band and then put it into the sink. So that's what I'm about to do. And I put the rubber band at the end, secured. So basically what you're gonna use for this video is a sink, the water from the sink, and some apple cider vinegar. I got water on me.
Yeah. Yeah. Back up on my I'm dealing with you. Yeah. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah.
I'm gonna go get a rack and I'm gonna lay them out on it, and then I'm just gonna let them air dry.
Skinny little bitty body model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 for
Okay, so I'm just gonna let these sit here and like overnight, and then probably in the morning or midday it should be dry, and it'll be ready for braiding.
Oh, now I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch.
Seen you with your ex, I see you still about your old ways. Might just see him for the weekend, you say that's a cold play. I be feeling triggered, I don't know how to let it go. Really, you ain't chillin', I know I'm too emotional. Hey, putting me through it, he's the only thing that's been getting me through it. He be coming through with it, and I hope you cool with it. I just met your roommate, put him on my to-do list. Doing me, back up on some new shit, everything in between. I'm out here, I'm getting stupid, I'm done being exclusive. And you know the truth is that these niggas is useless. I'm back
up
on my
bullshit, back up on the scene. Out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just seen your new bitch, it boosts my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch.
Flex on my ex, in my Model X. Flex on my ex, in my Model X. Flex on my, flex on my, flex on my.
Back up on my bullshit. I'm back Back up on my done dealing with you. Yeah. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit.
Okay, so they're finished and I love them. Not hard at all. I didn't really talk when I explained how to do the braids in this video. I kind of just showed you guys and I like zoomed in, so hopefully you guys watched it. I might put it in slow-mo, I don't know, depending on when I watch it back. But I think this style is very achievable, and I hope you guys try it. And if you do, comment below, give me your Instagram, show me your pictures, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media and subscribe.